Now you might be tempted to go up like this because right here you could do sort of your classic rib weave-in technique, but this is the front, so we don't want to do that. So we're going to flip over to the back, and instead, see, we have our stockinette garter pattern in these 2 rows. So you can work your tail up to those rows, and I'll show you. Probably you're going to end up on this side, and we'll work over here, okay? So we have, if you look closely, I'm going to start a little more in the middle so we can see better. We have umbrellas and smiles, and they travel all the way across. So we're going to go up through an umbrella, and then up through a smile, and pull through. And now we're going to trace around this umbrella and go down through the smile that's next to it. And then there's an umbrella right below it, sort of diagonally, and we go through that one as well. Now right next to it, where we came out of, is another smile. So we trace around that, and then we go up through that umbrella, and then the smile that we just came out of at the top, we can pull through. And you see how we're sort of tracing around these shapes. So umbrella, down through a smile, down through the umbrella we just came out of at the bottom. We just keep tracing those shapes. And like I said, this is the same technique you would use for like a garter stitch or reverse stockinette. And this is great because it helps keep the same amount of stretch that the original pattern has. And you can keep going as long as you want. Okay, and then when you're done, you can just clip the ends close and you're all finished.